All right, here's a quick rundown of these problems. What are the names of three collinear points? If we follow this line along, the only line that we know that we can see 3 points definitely are on, it's F, C, and D. So that is B right here. And what are the names of four coplanar points? That's these 4 points right here. It's the only indication that we have that points are on the plane is this. A, D, J, and B. Where is that? A, D, J, and B right here. Okay, this one says, name the line on the plane shown on the diagram. Well, there's some hints here. We know that that can be either line NM or MN, but we can't have line M. It's not a little cursive letter sitting at the end of it. So we need 2 points, so it can't be that. And same thing with planes, we need 3 points to name a plane. And here there's only 2 points for the plane, and here there's only 2 points for the plane, and that just leaves C, and let's just verify it. Line MN, yep, and plane MNP, MNP, 3 non-collinear points. Great. Okay. Z is the midpoint here of RT. So what is the value of X, and then what is the length of RZ and RT? Well, right away we can say, okay, if we know that this is the midpoint, then we know that this ZT is the same as this RZ. And if this is 35, this is 35. So we know that RZ is 35. And we know the whole thing then, 35 and 35 is 70. Okay? But we still need to find what X is. So we can say if they're the same length, right, that's the midpoint, that makes 2 congruent segments. So this is equal to this, and we can set it equal. We could say 3x minus 25 is equal to 35. And then we're going to solve for X. 3x equals 60, and I'm going to shortcut the work here. I'd normally show it by dividing by 3, and we get x is equal to 20. Okay, and of course, we could also plug 20 in there. 3 times 20 is 60, and 60 minus 25 is 35, so we could calculate the 35 that way too, but we don't actually really need to because we know that these two are congruent segments. Okay, so we've got x is 20, and RZ is 35, and RT is 70. That's this one. Be careful because this one mixes them up. Okay, this has them backwards. RZ is not actually 70, it's only 35. Okay, the whole thing RT is 70, so it's the same numbers but just reversed, but that's not right. Okay, and then finally, what do we have for the segment congruent to AB? Well, what is the length of AB? Well, if we subtract their 2 endpoints, -7 minus -2, that's the same as -7 plus +2, which is -5. The absolute value of that is 5. This is 5 units long. Okay, and you can count it to verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what other 2 points are 5 units apart? C and D here. So we say that it is CD. And now we have our answers.